So if you want to start making money online through the SMMA model and running your own agency, you're probably going to need GoHighLevel. The reason why I say that is because I started my SMMA roughly a year ago, and now I'm past that 10K a month mark. And all thanks to one software, and that name is GoHighLevel. Now, before I started using this, I looked into it, and to be honest, I was hella confused. I'm like, there is so many features of this software. It's a little bit expensive and out of my budget range right now. I thought to myself, do I really need this? And you know what? I'm not going to say if you need it or not. I'm going to let this video show it for you, because this video is not intended to show you everything about GoHighLevel. Instead, I'm going to show you real life examples of how I would set my own clients up, show you a little bit of the statistics in my account for how I run my own SMMA agency. And then you can be the judge of if you need this software or not. I personally use it. You don't have to, but there is no other software like this on the market right now. So my hopes in this video is to give you guys a little bit of inspiration and also spark off some light bulbs that might be going in your head as you watch this video, because hopefully you can watch this video and take the golden nuggets out and use it in your own business and agency so that you can flourish. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to kick us off, let's go into GoHighLevel, and what you're seeing here is our agency dashboard. Now in the agency dashboard, you can imagine it's kind of like the control center where you're going to manage all of your clients, where you can go in and change your account details, where you can change your business details, name, etc. Now on this page, just ignore the revenue because this isn't accurate for me. This is a different account that I use. But the most important part is probably the sub accounts on this left hand side. So what sub accounts are is, if we go in, these are basically going to be all of your clients that you have, and you're going to create them all as a sub account. And I'll show you why a bit later. But because in these sub accounts, this is where you can actually do your magic of either helping them create workflows, campaigns, set up communication channels, build up professional websites for them. You can do all of that in the sub account. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We'll go add a new sub account, and what we'll do is go into snapshots, and I have already my onboarding plus SaaS website. Then we are going to just type in a random address. There we go. And after that, you're just going to fill in your details. Perfect. Now that we've made their sub accounts, let's go in and see what it is. So what you'll see is you'll have something like this, and you can go and scroll down to see if you want to enable their phone system resale settings or their email resale settings. Now what these are is essentially when my clients, if they want to send out text messages, they're going to have to use a Twilio phone number. Now it's all connected to Lead Connector already, but essentially when they send out a text or email, they still have to pay a very small fee. Now you can see in here the base fee for a text message is 0.0079. And so what you can actually do in GoHighLevel is, if you enable this, you can actually pull this up to 10 times. So you can actually make a profit off other people's text messages by charging them more. So for example, if your client wants to send text messages, the base cost is going to be this much. But you can also charge it up so that you want to sell it 5 times more, and you just profit the money in between. And that's a really good way to get some passive income. Now you can't do this because you have to put in your card detail. I'm not going to do it for this test account. But other than that, let's go into the actual sub account. Now you can access the sub account through this switch to sub account button, or you can click here and go and search for your sub account in here. But instead, let's just go here. All right. Now that we're in, let's go in and show you a bit of the functions. So first of all, you have a conversations tab in here. So in this chat function, you can have Facebook messages, text messages, Instagram, email, and even Google My Business. And you can chat to people that reply to you on those channels directly through here. You also have a few calendars page. You have a contacts page, which you can import your contacts through a CSV file. You can have your opportunities. Now this is kind of the CRM of GoHighLevel, and I have a video that talks about that also in my YouTube channel. You can go and check that out. You can send invoices to people in the payment section. Just simply need to click new. But in order to do this, you have to connect either Stripe, PayPal, or some sort of payment processor. Then later you also have marketing. This is where if you're a business and you want to connect your social medias to make posts and schedule posts, you can do that. You can even create your own affiliate campaign. Now, this is absolutely amazing because this is the number one reason why I no longer spend time and money on any ads to get more clients. Because of this affiliate manager, I was able to create a whole campaign for myself so that once I got my first few clients, I told them, hey, I have this affiliate program where if you refer someone to me, I'll give you 40% commission of every month that they pay me. Now, for them, it was an absolutely irresistible deal because I was already doing so much work for them. They were really happy with what I was doing for them. So of course they were going to refer me to other businesses that they know. And on top of that, if they get a cut just by referring, that's passive income for them. So it's a win-win situation for both. So to make this affiliate manager is actually super easy. And I'll show you how to do this in a different account because right now you can't do this in this test account that we just set up because you have to connect all your Stripe accounts. All right, so this is my other account that I have, and we're just gonna go again into affiliate manager, campaigns, and press add. And now in this campaign, we're just gonna name something like test, select a funnel. You're gonna need either a website or a funnel. So I'm just gonna select this real estate one. And you'll note this real estate funnel, I don't actually have my domain on, so it doesn't work, but for test purposes, let's just keep going. You can then add any affiliates that you want via here, and you can select your payout frequency. If you want to pay your affiliates every 15, 30, or 60 days, I like to keep it monthly because that's my payment cycle as well. And here you can choose commission type of percentage or flat commission. Now I usually do percentage, and let's just put like 40%. You can customize your email templates, but I like to just go with the default template because it looks pretty nice already. It looks something like this. Hi, it inserts their name automatically. We are happy to have you as part of our campaign name. So if this was sent out, it would be test 1 campaign. You can begin earning commissions by sharing your unique link. Now this link they'll automatically have and customize that's unique to them. So when people click on this link, the system's going to recognize that, hey, Ken just clicked on Alice's link. And then in the system, once Ken pays me, then it'll automatically every month pay Alice 40% of what Ken pays me. So it's pretty neat. And normally I just pull this cookie life to the maximum because what it is how long that link will last for. So I like to just keep it at a year so they don't need to keep refreshing and get the link again and again. So that's how to make the affiliate manager and your affiliate campaign. Would recommend every single one of you to do this once you've got your first client, or even set it up before you get your first client so that when you get your first client, you can tell him, hey, I have this awesome affiliate campaign that's available for you if you want to refer me to any of your friends. All right, so let's go back to the other account and let's keep going. Now that we're back into our test account, we're going to go and show you the automations. Now for this automations, note, you see everything in here? I just made this account with you guys just then in this video, but I already have all these different workflows. This is because I imported my own snapshot into this. And if you want these snapshots, just use the link in my bio to sign up to GoHighLevel. I give you my whole snapshot of how to set up your SaaS agency as well as how to set up your SMMA agency so you can get clients on autopilot. It's all done for you. I'll show you some of the workflows that I've made. It's nothing complex, but it's very effective. So this is an example of whenever a client decides to book in an appointment with me. I have all these different automations so that it sends them emails, it sends them SMSs, it assigns users to the workflow so that I know, or I can assign my own team members to say, hey, you need to make sure you get on this so that I can go on call with this person. It has internal notifications telling me, hey, someone booked an appointment with me, And it even has reminders and follow-up emails and text messages, reminding me and the person that booked with me that, hey, we have this appointment coming up, so that they show up on time. I also have a bunch of other workflows that are already set up. On top of that, I also have my own websites and funnels that are already built out if you want to start a SaaS agency under GoHighLevel. Now, this is what I've transitioned into now, and it's so much easier compared to SMMA. If you don't know what SaaS is already, it's software as a service, and the difference between that and SMMA is when you're doing an SMMA, you're servicing your time for money. So let's say you're helping them do Facebook ads, for example. However, if you sell it as a SaaS business, you're selling purely this GoHighLevel white labeled software to your other businesses. Now, it's a bit complex and I'm not going to get into all of that in this video, but I do have a whole course on how you can set up your own SaaS agency from scratch with zero experience in just 24 hours. It is, however, only available for my affiliates. So if you want to be my affiliate, just click on the link to sign up to GoHighLevel and I'll give you all the goods for free. But let's keep going, because in this video, we're talking about SMMA. So whether you're running your SMMA to help people for Facebook ads, you'll probably also want to help them in terms of ranking them up higher on Google to make them more reputable. And that's where reputation management comes in, because you can help your businesses improve their SEO so much by just increase their Google ranking. And a lot of people don't understand how this works, but to improve your Google ranking, simply, it's all about just how many Google reviews you have. And most businesses don't have many Google reviews just simply because they haven't asked. So what you can do is just with a click of a button, you can send your review request to any customers that is in your CRM and pipeline through email and phone. And they already have a professional review that's already done in their system, so that you can just click this and send it out, or you can make one of your own. And lastly, we also have a reporting section. Now in this reporting section, you can connect your Google or Facebook ads account, and you can see exactly how your ads are running, how much impressions you have, your clicks and conversions. And this is what I show to my clients when I work with them, because this gives them a clear statistic of how we're tracking in the last few months. And from that, we can project something to say, hey, we're going to be doing this much in the coming months, so you can look forward to it. Or you can say, hey, I think that this ad or this campaign isn't doing so well, so we might need to change it up. This clear communication is what you need between a business and business, so that you can build that trust and rapport with one another. So that's a quick review of how GoHighLevel works, and this is how I would run my SMMA agency using GoHighLevel. There's all these automations that you can use, so definitely get into it. I have a bunch of other videos that show you exactly how to set this up. If this has helped you, please give me a subscribe and thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.